Hello everyone, Veronica Hitter here at Authorized Vac and Sew. I'm excited to share with you the Brother NQ1700E is an amazing option for those looking to step into the world of embroidery. With a 6x10 size hoop, no need to worry about refitting your hoop to get the design you want. It also has some advanced features and smart conveniences that expand your creativity. Explore 258 built-in embroidery designs with 140 frame pattern combinations and 13 embroidery fonts. Send designs wirelessly using Design Database Transfer. A generous 5 square inch LCD color touchscreen with an intuitive interface simplifies on-screen editing, all with drag and drop convenience. This machine reaches speeds of 850 stitches per minute. Shop for yours today at Authorized Vac and Sew.com and pick one up today.